Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for anyone looking to protect their hardwood floors, the covercorner felt furniture pads. These round, dark brown pads have gained a reputation as the best felt furniture pads, and for good reason. In this video, we'll explore their features, benefits, and why they might be the perfect addition to your home. So, what makes the covercorner felt furniture pads stand out? First and foremost, these pads are designed with a unique combination of felt and EVA foam, ensuring they offer maximum protection for both your furniture and your hardwood floors. The 5 mm thickness not only shields against scratches and scuffs but also provides durability, allowing them to withstand the weight of heavy furniture over time. Installation is a breeze thanks to the strong adhesive backing. Simply peel off the protective film and stick them to the bottom of your furniture legs. This user-friendly approach means you can quickly set them up without any tools or hassle. One of the standout features of these felt pads is their ability to reduce noise and friction. When you slide your furniture across the floor, the low-friction felt ensures a smooth glide, minimizing the annoying scraping sound that often accompanies moving heavy items. This is particularly beneficial for dining chairs and other frequently moved furniture. With the covercorner pads, you can enjoy a quieter, more peaceful living space. Another great aspect of the covercorner felt furniture pads is their versatility. They are suitable for all types of hard surfaces, including hardwood, tile, laminate, and even linoleum. Whether you're protecting your dining table, sofas, or kitchen chairs, these pads will fit perfectly and keep your floors looking pristine. Their round shape and dark brown color are not only functional but aesthetically pleasing as well, allowing them to blend seamlessly with a variety of furniture styles and home decors. Moreover, covercorner is committed to customer satisfaction. They promise high-quality, durable products and are readily available to address any concerns or issues you may have. This kind of service speaks volumes about the brand and adds peace of mind to your purchase. In conclusion, if you're looking for an effective way to protect your hardwood floors while enhancing the ease of furniture movement, the covercorner felt furniture pads are an excellent choice. With their quality construction, ease of use, and commitment to customer satisfaction, they truly deserve the title of the best felt furniture pads on the market. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful product reviews. Share your thoughts or experiences with felt pads in the comments below. Until next time, keep your home looking great.